Alright, hello, welcome to another day, welcome to another video. Today is a little bit of an adventure. We're going to get from here in Udaipur, India, we're going to get all the way to Agra. Got to go via Delhi, so there's going to be a little bit of train riding, there's going to be a little bit of flying, a little bit of everything really, so come along for the journey. Here we go. Alright, getting on the plane now, Air Indigo to Delhi, then we'll get off at Delhi and find our way across Delhi to the train station. Right. Landed in Delhi. Gonna get the Uber now. Alright, made it to the train station. Now we're going to work out where the train is. Alright, so update, got to the train station, train is delayed a couple of hours, so we've got like three and a half hours to kill here at the train station. So yeah, gonna maybe pop into town, maybe not, we'll see, but yeah. Alright, so we're here at the train station. We had a 3-hour wait, the train was delayed. Then we had another 2-hour wait. We're still waiting, still got another hour and a half. The train has just turned up, so it's going to be waiting here on the platform for about an hour and a half. So we're just hanging around waiting. Going to jump on in a minute, check it all out. But yeah, not going to leave for another hour and a half. And yeah, we're just hanging around really. So yeah, so it's been a long wait. So we got here at, I say 1 o'clock, ready for a 2 o'clock train. Train was delayed till 4 o'clock. So we hung around, didn't want to really head out anywhere, so we just hung around at the train station. Then it delayed 2 more hours. So now it's going to leave at 6:05, which is in about 20 minutes. So yeah, it's been a long wait here at Delhi train station, so at least we're on the train now, so we should be away soon. Yeah. AC first class. Here's the beds. The little steps over there. Happy days. Upper bed. Light switches. A little bit of everything. Curtain. And then the door at the other side. People are just getting on right now. A little fan up there as well. Alright, we're just about to set off. Just locking up the train now. It's been a long old wait, but we're here now, so let's get going. arrived in Agra. It's been a long journey. Now we've got to find a way to get to the hotel. So that's the next job.